Hello everyone, welcome back to Tactim. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use list in LinkedIn post. List can make your post easier to read. For example, create a daily plan. Start each day with to-do list. Number 2, use emojis or number. Or you can also add structure and draw attention. For example, use time blocks, dedicate specific hours for focused work. Number 3, always try to share tips or tools. People love quick and useful insights. For example, try to stay in limited distractions, turn off all non essential notifications. Keep your text short but make each point clear and conscious. At last, end with a question or prompt to boost engagement. That's it. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.